express all trigonometric ratio sin A, sec A, tan A in terms of cot A. What does it mean? It means that you should get everything in terms of cot. Let us see how we can do it. See here, I should get sine in terms of cot. How we can do it? Let us see. I will use the formula cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. We know this formula. We know this identity. Cosecant square A minus cot square A is 1. So, cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A. And now, see here, what I can write here is cosecant square by 1 I will write here, this also I will write by 1. I will take the reciprocal of it. If I take the reciprocal of 1 by cosecant square A, then I will get 1 by 1 plus cot square A. I have taken the reciprocal. Now you may ask, sir, why did you take the reciprocal? The purpose of taking the reciprocal is 1 by cosec is sine. So what I will get is 1 by cosecant square A is sine square A, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus cot square A. And this, if I take the here square root of it, what I will get is sine A is equal to 1 by under root 1 plus cot square A, because square root of A is, square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So what did I do? Why did I take this relation? Because here cosecant square A is there, and cosecant can be converted into sine very easily, because reciprocal of cosecant is sine. So sine A is equal to 1 by 1 plus cot square A. So the first part is over. What did I do is I have converted sine in terms of cot. Now the next is sec also should be converted in terms of cot. यानी sec के सामने cot आना चाहिए. तो sec के सामने cot कैसे आएगा? Secant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1 है. तो मैं यहाँ पर क्या करूँगा? Secant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A ऐसे लिखूँगा. और बच्चों sec A will be equal to under root 1 plus cot square A. तो आप देखिए पूरा sec A हो गया cot के, we have converted sec A in terms of cot A. तो sin is in cot, sec is in cot. Now tan should be in cot. It is very simple. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A, or reciprocal of cot is tan. Now next question says, write all trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. We know that. Now what we can do here is, I can write this as sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Now this can be written as sin square A is equal to 1 minus, this cos is nothing but reciprocal of sec. Cos is nothing but reciprocal of sec. So sin square A is equal to secant square A minus 1 divided by secant square A. So if you take the LCM here, then what you will get is sin A is equal to square root of this, that is secant square A minus 1 divided by secant square A. This if you simplify, then what you will get is sin A is equal to under root secant square A minus 1 by sec A. So now you can see here clearly sine ratio is converted into sec ratio. Cosec A, if I want, cosec is reciprocal of sine. That means what? Sec A by under root secant square A minus 1. Now sine is converted in terms of sec, cosec is converted in terms of sec. Now let us go for cos. It is very simple. Cos A is equal to 1 by sec A. So cos is converted in terms of sec. Now we have to go for tan. Let us see tan how we can do it. See here, secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Okay. So what I'll do is secant square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. So if you want tan A in terms of sec A, then tan A is equal to under root secant square A minus 1. And if you get tan as under root secant square A minus 1, then reciprocal of tan is cot. Cot will be equal to 1 by tan, and 1 by tan is nothing but 1 by under root secant square A minus 1. So now you can see here, sine is in terms of sec, cosec is in terms of sec, cos is in terms of sec, tan is in terms of sec, and cot is also in terms of sec. So all the right hand side contains sec theta.